Told you I'd be fast. Alright. I'm gonna wait for more people to join up, and then we'll start making our watch list. Dun, 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 dun. Yo, what's up? Motherfuckers talking about getting lit, bro. What do you mean? You guys want to play Fortnite, man? Fortnite's fun as shit. Bro, yesterday at 11 o'clock we had fucking 200-300 people. Today we have less. You guys hear that? That was kind of funny. Let's play later. Alright, bet. Shit. Motherfucker. Yo, someone. Yo, if I have any bots in chat, ban stock dreams. Man, this bitch. I think I put him in a timeout. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Fuck stock dreams, bro. Smells like shit. Alright, I'm gonna start charting for tomorrow. Let's see what we have. Alright, so on AMD today, dude, today was fucking insane on AMD if you guys were there. Oh shit. So today on AMD, basically what happened was we fucking stock nightmares. You still use the bunger strat? Yeah. Bro. Alright. AMD was nasty. Dude, AMD was so fun today. We banged so hard. Alright, so basically, let me remove all the drawings. Started off, you know, we identified the support right at this level. Right here, I think is where we played it. Yeah, we played it on this level right here. Drew out the little zone. I mean, it really wasn't too crazy. It was kind of like just this. This is all I really drew out. And the main reason was, let me pull out the little drawing thingy. The main reason is we had one bounce here, two big long wicks here, and then we had this right here, right? And we see the little wicks up here, right? So then we had this. We had this. So when I knew it, I knew it was gonna come down to this level, right? The 143 level, and I knew it was either gonna bounce from here or wick really hard. So. Or break really hard down. So what I watched here is I trade off the 15-minute, right? So main thing I was watching is on TOS. The main thing I use, I was watching the 5 and 8 EMA, and they were literally like this all day. So I'll actually show you guys my system right now if we got some fucking time. But you guys see we had a green candle here. I didn't jump on that because I knew there was a lot of overhead supply right here, right? So you guys know we have a lot of supply to get through. I wouldn't be comfortable playing long. One of my friends called me childish. So I'm just saying there was two support lines there, and then we bounced. But in all seriousness, since one of my friends wants to call me childish, I'll delete this because he's learning so much about fucking options that he doesn't even fucking trade options. Alright, ready? But we knew there was a lot of overhead supply just due to the VPA gap. So I'm gonna... Dude, I don't use this fucking charting software that much. So ready, look. This is where I would have looked to go long, right? Right at around this level. So I didn't catch the opening pop because I really don't play the opening pops, right? And so the main focus for today was over 147 is where I would have went long, because usually in the morning you guys are gonna always see that there's a lot of blowing off tops that happen right in the morning, right? So what do I mean by that? Every day when the market opens and on really volatile stocks like AMD, Tesla, Amazon, all these stocks, what they do is they have a influx of buyers and sellers come all in at once, right? Because everyone is trying to right when market opens, algos turn on, right? You guys already know that algos turn on and people are just buying and selling so fast and at such high speed that stocks are gonna jump up, wick down hard as fuck, drop $2, wick back up, go up $3. That's what you guys see. So when I see a stock like AMD and an overall bearish looking futures and market like that, I'm gonna be susceptible to, or we're gonna be susceptible to blowing off tops. So that's what happened here. And right off this wick, right, this wick determined AMD's just the movement AMD was gonna have throughout the day. Motherfuckers are blowing off what? Yeah, but basically this wick right here basically set the precedent for the rest of the day, right? What does this wick represent? First of all, we see it was on high volume. On the heat map volume, you guys can see that this move right here had a decent amount of volume to it. It had a lot of volume, right? Meaning that the buyers weren't present and this the sellers were sending this down, right? That's what happened. And we actually played I tried playing AMD calls off open, but I didn't get filled. But 147 is where I said I was only opening up a starter, but 147 is where I would have played it. Right? And then after these two large candles, my first support that I had drawn out was here, right? 143.58. Now, let me tell you guys why I didn't enter there, right? The main reason I didn't enter is because, first of all, I missed it. I was looking at Lucid. Guys, how do I spell susceptible? There it is. This motherfucker, bro. That was the funniest shit ever, bro. He's so skeptical. Alright, but mainly, what you gotta see. Guys, my bad. My friends texted me on the side. He said it's a booty stream. Alright. Holy shit. Alright, yeah, I gotta close off Discord. I can't keep watching this shit. Alright. Actually, I need Discord up there. But right here is where we dropped. The first line of support was 143.6, right? Don't mind me just waking to this. You guys are weird, bro. But 143.58 was the first support. It broke past and we had a 15-minute close under. The second 15-minute came, rejected this level, right? We got a rejection on the level that we were supposed to enter. What does that tell me? That's telling me we have a good starter entry. So I open up a starter and I posted it out, and then boom, we get this candle. Came down and I said, I'm not selling. I said when it came down here, I said, yo, RSI is getting a bit low. We're gonna see a little relief bounce and we're gonna add it back, right? So it bounced, came back to our demand zone, right? All right, right? So that's what happened. You got this rejection off this, and it came down. All right? We get this rejection, comes down, breaks past, and then it comes back and retests this level. This is where we added the full position, right? So you add a starter, breaks past. We expected this bounce because first of all, we had the volume backing it up, but the RSI was getting a little too low, so we needed it. So we needed it to come up, right? So it came back up, added more here, and then we get this insane flush. I took most profits at this level where it started to base, and you guys see because these candles at one time were green, right? So it looked like a clean reversal. And then when it wicked back down, we added back heavier on this, and then boom, we get this insane drop here. Sold most down here. I didn't catch it here. I sold most on this green candle. All right, so that's how we really played AMD. So let me go say that from the beginning. All right, we had our support. We waited for the president to set, right? We had everything set. We knew it was going to be a little bearish. We had a clear theme. We knew that it was trading in a range, and it broke past the range. We added on a retest, opened a starter, added full position on a second retest, and then boom, fucking drops. All right. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll go over some other stuff. All right. Now we're gonna move on to WBA off open, and you guys already know why I was trying to play this all day, right? Main thing we saw was this resistance right here, this clear resistance. So you guys can see that the stock was trading in a range. We had WBA trading in a range, right? Range. So the range was at 40, basically 49, and then the downside would be under 48. We had a dollar range. So what we did is we actually entered right before the range breakout, right? And main reason I did that, main reason I did that is if you go here, you look at the volume is telling us, volume tells you everything you need to know, right? What we see from the volume on that candle is that it was a lot higher than the previous volume, right? So we entered there, and then it breaks out. All right. So we added our calls here. These went over 100%, by the way. So I actually only held until like this red candle. When it was like full red, I sold out because I thought it was gonna come back and retest here. What I would have added again, but I couldn't. So it's whatever. But main thing you guys are seeing, we saw that in the range, right? Main reason we could have also entered is what did I say on AMD? Is that the in the beginning, we had this on AMD, it was at the top where it wicked down. We had a wick from the support, right? With volume. So it wicks from support. I knew that we had bullish momentum going into this. We see this huge green candle. This one wasn't too far after. We get the close above. We know this is going crazy. All right. Mama stream karda. All right. So that's what we got. What's another thing we played today? We basically just played AMD all the way. All right. So that was AMD and WBA. Now right off open, we also caught QCOM in the premium chat. I'll show you guys how we did that. So we go from this day. This is a few days ago. So I actually drew out this resistance that we had on the 15-minute. 185.25 is actually where I had my level. Right, 185.25 is where I actually had my level. You guys can see. First level would have been 184, but I wanted to play 185.25 because of this wick here and just these levels were rejected every time, and we had a nice breakout, right? And once it broke out, hopped into calls. I had my alert on set, and then boom, it went crazy. All right, guys, I'm gonna end my stream, bro. This is fucking. I'll hop on later, bro.